Hey, this is Brian from Zero Going Up, and this is not so much of a review as it is a thank you to Belinda and her team at techpacks.co. 3 months ago, we came to Belinda and her team to help us put together a final technical package for a new technical product that we had in development. They helped us through the whole process by asking us questions about our product to make sure that they would get the package right, and they delivered the technical package to us on time so that we could keep our schedule. After creating this package with Belinda and her team, we could not have been any more happy with the results of what they delivered. They were professional, knowledgeable, and their experience that went into designing this technical package for us will pay for itself by having all of our samples that we're making overseas, that they're made correctly the first time. So I really encourage anyone who's serious about taking their product or their design to the next level. You really should leverage the knowledge at techpacks.co. They've been a critical part to our success, and I'm not getting anything from saying this, but when you meet professionals like Belinda and her team, you just want to tell everybody you know about them. So thank you again, you guys. You've been great, and we're for sure going to use you for our next products. Thanks again.